I think it's a boy and it's going to be 20th September.
It's a girl and she will be on 21st. On my birthday.
It's a boy and 27.
Boy baby and delivery will be after the due date. 24 or 25?
Baby boy, 26 September.
Yeah, it's the baby boy. Yeah, 25th.
Baby boy on the 24th.
I think baby boy 22nd. Baby girl 20th of September.
It's going to be a baby girl and it's going to be on the 18th of September. The amount I'm troubling her, she will deliver before.
A boy and date is 24th.
16th of September and it's going to be a girl.
I think 8th of September or 16th of September.
Whoever it is, I'm happy, and I think it is going to be 14th of September.
14th.
Boy. Girl. Girl.
Bye.
Homely bidara.
Homely bidara.
What way raha?
Not doing that.
Yeah, same.
Pot where ha? Pot chod. Chedak pot chod sokalata.
Yes.